Okay, she can just wait outside while we do the real work. Okay, we're going to make a couple of lamps. This is a lampshade made with tracing paper. I just wrapped the tracing paper around this form, which is a medicine cup, and it kind of is the right scale for the lamp I want to make. And that way I could get the correct shape. Then I found some objects with holes in them, like beads with big holes. This is a AA battery pack that you can get on Amazon. I will put a link to that product below. I'm an Amazon associate, so if you do purchase that within 24 hours of looking at it, I think they give me a small commission. That doesn't cost you a thing. So this is a coil I made by wrapping around a piece of metal. You just make a little hole in there, and it kind of secures it in place if you run a little bit of the wire down through the hole. Also, it looks like maybe that's the thing where you could have a knob or something to turn the lamp on. These two wires come off the lights. That'll be included in the kit. You get 5 or 6 of these bulbs and 3 of those battery packs in the kit. And this is a big bead that a friend of mine made, and it looks like one of those lamps they used to have in the 80s. So I run both of the light cords through the lamp base bead, and as you can maybe see, one is just slightly darker than the other. The slightly darker cord will get attached to the red wire on the battery pack. You're going to twist those together. It's really hard to do because they're so tiny. But once you get them together, then test it before you do anything else. Don't tape over the joins yet because we still need to make outlet covers and run them through the wall and then tape the wires on the back side. I'm using Tacky Wax to hold things in place with a non-permanent bond, such as keeping that lamp on the table. Things that are smaller just so fidgety and fall over really easily, so I like to put all my things on my shelves with a little Tacky Wax. I'll put a link to that below. I attached a wire and kind of made 2 wires that go up right next to the lamp. One is on the inside, one is on the outside of the lampshade, and that's just to hide it in the back, but I bet you can figure out a better way to put that lampshade on. Let me know. Anyway, I took little scraps of wood and shaped them into, outlet covers. I had put some glue on there and made a little plug. And I just fused the plug to the outlet covers because I'm not insane enough to try to make little prongs for it. The curtains gotta match the carpet, so I am painting this white. To add to the realism, I am gluing the 2 cords together as they head towards the wall so that it actually looks like a real cord. And I use gaffer tape to attach the wires and the boxes to the back. I hope this helps you figure out the lighting in your dollhouse or in your stop-motion puppet scene. I know there must be someone out there who is as baffled as I was trying to figure out how to do lighting.